My dear child, I want you to close your eyes and listen to this prayer. Dear Lord, this morning I ask for something more valuable than success. I ask for your presence because if I have your presence, I have peace. If I have your presence, I have direction. And if I have your presence, I have hope no matter what this day brings. Father, guard my thoughts today. Don't let fear take root in my mind. Don't let worry steal the joy you have given me. Instead, fill me with confidence that comes from knowing you are in control. Help me notice the opportunities to show kindness, to speak encouragement, to reflect the love of Christ in every conversation. And when this day comes to an end, may I be able to look back and say, I trusted God and He was faithful. Thank you for your mercy that meets me every sunrise. Thank you for loving me without condition. And thank you for the future you are preparing one day at a time. I begin this morning with faith, and I will end it with gratitude. In Jesus' powerful name, Amen. If you are inviting God's presence in your day, comment, Amen. Your presence is enough.